TJ Maxwell, Internet Sales Manager for the Toby Auto Group, bringing you another vehicle showcase today. What we've actually got a 2020 Ram 1500 Limited. It is in the crew cab configuration. Guys, super loaded up truck. You're not gonna find a nicer loaded up truck on the market. It's got the 22s, sprayed in bed liner. Like I said, it's a limited, guys. It's even got fold out power running boards, heated ventilated seats, dual panoramic sunroof, parallel and perpendicular park assist. Guys, look at the screen. 12-inch radio. No other truck on the market has something like this. You can turn it into 2 screens right there. Air suspension, trailer brake control, park sensors, tow haul. Guys, this is a bad truck. Right here, look at that. Adaptive cruise control. Guys, price $68,820. Internet special this month is $55,820. That's $13,000 off of this truck, guys. Guys, there's not a nicer truck on the market. You're not gonna find a better deal elsewhere. Come see us here at New Carlisle Chrysler and get this truck for you today.